Bonjour!
Bonjour!
This is our official first day in Paris. Paglabas sa hotel namin. This is our hotel. Ganda ng view dun, Wow! And then, that's the view of Gare de Lyon Station. Okay, let's go!
Hello, hello! Welcome back to our Europe travel series. And we are now at our day 4! Supposedly, buong araw tayo sa Disneyland Paris today. Pero dahil sa delay kagabi, di na natin natik yung mga nasa itinerary natin. Kaya, quick Paris city tour muna tayo this morning. Tara, sama namin kayo explore natin ang Notre Dame, the Louvre, and Eiffel Tower. Then later today, tuloy ang Disneyland Adventure. So we're splitting day 4 into 2 parts. So simulan na natin ang part 1.
Paling bus stop sila o nasa gitna. Let's go, baby! Come here! Come here! Ito lang pala yung bus stop. Ikot-ikot pa tayo. Ayun lang yung hotel namin. Umikot pa kami doon. Doon. Tapos nag-atom na gano'n. Hanggang doon. Ito lang pala yung bus stop namin. Meron galay. Nag-arkila kami ng bus for today's video. Ani! Ay, ito na yata yung Bastille ba yan? Yeah. Hello! Hi! Welcome to Paris! Bonjour! Bienvenue. Ay, sorry. Hello! We're here in Notre Dame! Bonjour! Bonjour! First stop, Notre Dame! Han, come here! I-detect mo yung face ko. Hello. Pero na. Andy, 360. We're here at Saint Chapel. Here, Saint Chapel. Woo! It's near Notre Dame. It's so cold, guys. The weather is gloomy and cold, but it's good. There's not much rain. Drizzling lang. Ambon-ambon lang. So, we head to our next stop. Where's our next stop, baby? Dito, sa Chapel. Baby. Saan ang next stop natin? Tell them. Hindi ko rin alam. Pronunciation. Louvre? Louvre? Louvre. Louvre. Combination. Yes, that's their combination. Yeah, for the breakfast. Wow! That's the Eiffel. Gloomy, hindi kita. Welcome to our French breakfast. Hey, our first restaurant recommendation here in Paris. It's near Louvre Museum. The name is Policot. Yeah, and they have the set Formule Anglais 1390, and ang dami niya na, guys. Tapos ang sarap. But the best part is walang added na GST, service charge, or whatsoever, no? Honey, recommended to, guys. Dito lang to malapit sa Louvre Museum. Tapos meron pa kayong friend doon na kasama niya kumain, yung bear. Yan na. Wow. Honey. Yeah, that's it. Wow. Look at that.
Oh my God! Ang architecture nito is so amazing.
Yeah, look. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Nice. Honey, we made it. Yes. Honey, come here. So much fun.
Yung nilakad natin, yung binibidyo mo, yun na yun, nasa loob lang tayo.
Ay, yung ano nan. Wow. Han.
Kanya-kanya silang imo, meron din doon, nag-imo. Pagalingan.
Ayan pala ang ano dito. Tusok.
Pagalingan na lang daw ito ng pag-exit. Pagalingan na lang.
Okay.
Guys, ang dami pala talaga namin dito, no?
Yeah.
Nung unang panahon, konti lang yan, ganyan. Oh!
Kailan ang unang panahon?
Yung panahon pa ng hapon.
Panahon panihan. Stress na yung lokal sa mga tourist. Sabi niya, ay, ang daming tao. This is the Louvre behind us, and in front there's this
Grabe, 360 na daong banta.
like Arc de Triomphe. Baka yan na yung Arc de Triomphe, baby. Baka dito sila naghabulan ni John Wick. Ha, baby? Baka yan na yun. Sabi mo may kalsada.
Unbelievable. It's for amazing. B for beautiful. C is for charming. So we are here now.
P for Philippines. Lakad muna. And now, we are here in Tanananan. Excuse me. Yay, we made it. Ikot tayo, baby. Thank you, Lord. Wow! Sarap. Lovers in Paris. Ikot pa mo. Ayan na siya, nagbus kami dito, bus 69. Tapos, Pont de what? Sulat ko lang dito yung yung station ng binabaan namin. Tapos dito kaagad yung baba niya. Ito, lalakarin yung una. Tapos konti. Tapos yan yung lalakar. Dito yung view. How are you, baby? I'm good. Medyo malamig. Kasi umulan eh. Pero, buti hindi lumabas. Kamula-mula. Here.
I'm on stage.
Oo pala. Hani, pula na. Kaya pala nagpit-pit na siya.
Nagmamaganda po yung lakad na.
Kaya Bonjour. Bonjour, man. Kwento ka naman. Anong kwentong Paris?
Hola!
Hola? Hola? That's Paris.
Bonjour!
Yan yung Paris.
Ayun, may nagano. Nilala mo yan?
Dito yung mga may pag-games.
I-picture mo sa mga
Yes, hi. Yung may parang balloon effect. Let's go.
Little tiny. Daming pagkain kaya sa Belgium.
Hi,
Souvenirs.
Hi, honey. Yun ang kwentang Paris.
Ay, wala pa kami sa Disneyland.
Sayang ang ticket. Sana pala. Ano na lang, entry. Ay, ano na lang. Maganda talaga daw. Sila ba? Sorry.
Да, Снежка.
Hindi kaya giniginaw yan. Yun o.
Yan yung pinakamadaling trabaho. Wala ka naman ginagawa na. Wala nang ginagawa.
Ganda talaga ng Paris. My love.
Yes, mag-picture tayo sa potato niya. Parang may humawak pa yung potato niya. Iba na yung kulay eh.
Oo nga, no? Paano nila naabot yun?
Mag-picture pa tayo sa potato. Dito.
Dito na lang. Pa-vlog. Tuy-tuy.
Saan? Gusto namin ipakita kasi sa inyo. Iba yung kulay. Anong nangyari?
Ay, daw. Ay, ba yung kulay? Hello. Everybody. The famous chocolate carrot.
We will try it.
How's the taste? Sobrang sarap. Okay, Han? Let's go! Disneyland na tayo. This is it na. Wait stopping for our train. Last stop to Disneyland. Disney, okay, my good girl. Yeah! Here's Paris train station look like. But not all train stations are the same. Di ba na, baby? Disneyland train station. 5 p.m. And we only have until 9? Baby? Why like that? Alam, baby, tignan mo yung ano ko. Tignan mo. Okay. This is the exit. Okay. Paul Cerami. Okay. Si Honey ko like a local. Ah, like a local. Yeah, sortie. Sortie. Baby, go. Wow! Yes, Disneyland. Okay, let's go. Okay. Hello guys! Na-evict kami. Joke lang. Bawal ang selfie stick sa loob ng Paris Disneyland. So, pinalagay sa amin sa locker sa metro. Sa train station. Kaya yun, isang tip para sa mga pupunta ng Paris Disneyland, bawal ang selfie stick. So, pwede naman dalhin nyo, maglalakar kayo dun sa metro, which is there. There, oh. Tapos, 5.5 euro yung bayad, isang araw na yun.
Not bad, isang araw na. May iba kasi per hour eh.
Oo, per hour. Tama. Okay, let's go.
Like it!
Han. Review. Okay?
Sobrang okay, you must try. It's a must.
Hindi, okay. Nakakatakot. Malis na si Spy. Wow! Si Han. Yay!
Disneyland Park.
That's Mickey.
Picture nga tayo dyan, honey.
Okay.
Dyan lang, oh.
Tulips Garden again? Wow! Tatangkad. Oh. Wow! Honey, tulips for you!
Beautiful.
Ratatouille?
Ay, dala picture. Ay, video yan?
Yeah. Tip ulit tayo, baby. Okay? Another tip, para hindi namin makalimutan. Bumili kami ng ticket sa Disneyland Park. Tapos, kasi dalawa to, Disneyland Park and Walt Disney Studios. So, kung gusto nyo dalawa, bibili kayo mas mahal. Pero, ang nabili namin pala is either. Ang gusto talaga namin yung Disneyland Park. Kasi nandun yung fireworks.
Wala.
Oo. Tapos, ang pinasok pala namin kanina is Walt Disney Studios. So, nung papasok na kami sa Disneyland Park, hindi na daw pwede yung ticket namin. Kasi, na-use na siya. Ngayon,
Nag-upgrade kami. Short.
Nag-upgrade kami, so another 25 euros each. So, 50 euro additional. So, ganito, no? Kung ang gusto nyo lang din is yung fireworks or yung Disneyland Park lang din, make sure na dun kayo papasok sa una pa lang.
And that wraps up our Paris Part 1. Bitin, right? That was just the beginning. The magic is only getting started. Part 2, dun yung makikita ang parade. At syempre, ang pinunta talaga namin, ang fireworks show. So don't miss it. Please like, follow, and subscribe. See you in Part 2.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!